One of our audience members asked us if we could break down the oncology drug known as Xeloda, which has the chemical name of Capecitabine. And this is an oral form of chemotherapy that's used for breast, colon, rectal, and pancreatic cancers. And oftentimes it's used in combination with other therapeutics, as well as an adjuvant treatment, meaning after surgery. But you may be wondering, since this is an oral form of chemotherapy, does this pose additional risks? Well, Xeloda is actually in an inactive form, something known as a prodrug when it's taken. And it doesn't become activated until it's metabolized by the liver and then absorbed by cells. And although it is a form of chemotherapy, so it can target different cell types, cancer cells do have an increased amount of the enzyme necessary to activate Xeloda inside of them, aiding in its specificity. So if we zoom in on a cancer cell, when it's going through replication in order to make two cancer cells, its DNA also needs to be replicated. To do that, it uses 4 different DNA base pairs in order to make more DNA. You can almost think of these like Legos that you stack on top of each other. However, when one is treated with Xeloda, Xeloda actually mimics one of the type of those base pairs, and it can be incorporated into that growing DNA. However, it's going to corrupt the DNA, meaning that that DNA is not able to allow that cancer cell to continue to grow, and eventually it will send signals for the cancer cell to die. Using that Lego example, you can almost think of Xeloda like a fake Lego piece. So as you're building that model, you incorporate that piece into the growing model because it does fit. However, at the end, when you have your final structure, it actually collapses because it doesn't have the integrity necessary. So if you have another cancer drug that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video, and for more educational lessons, make sure you visit MedTopics.com. Thank you for watching my latest video, and if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.